and pack all items needed for easy assembly. Place the two bed trapeze bases and insert the door-shaped frame into them. Align the holes and install the handle screws. Insert the clamp plate assembly into the base. Lock the screws on the left and right side. And install the protective sleeve. Similarly, install the other clamp plate assembly in place. Insert the lower main frame tube into the two clamp plate assemblies. Adjust the height that suits you. Install the screws, spacers and nuts, and lock them with a wrench. Insert upper main frame welded body onto the lower main frame tube. Insert the two screws into the holes, install the spacer and nut, and lock them with a wrench. Attach buckle to upper main frame. Insert screws, spacers and nuts. Then lock them with a wrench. Attach the lifting ring. Product is shown in the video upon completion of installation.